mean, half the
Not the long half.
Hey everyone, so today we are going to a cooking class or a pasta making class. We booked this through Airbnb, so it's a bit more of a local thing. We're going to learn about how to make pasta, different types of sauces, and there's going to be different options. So I put myself down on the veggie stuff, and there's also going to be meat. So yeah, you're basically just going to come along with us and watch us make pasta.
And mascarpone with the yellow, right? And in this place the white. About sugar, depend if you like.
If you like it sweet, yeah.
I don't like so much sweet, so 3 spoons I think is okay.
Roll that pasta and make our own pasta.
I mean, half the
Not the long half.
Yeah.
Thank you. I made this.
From scratch. Thank you.
We finished the cooking class today, or the pasta making class, and it was amazing. It was really nice because it was so local, and we had 3 different dishes. We had lasagna, then spaghetti, or tagliatelle, then spaghetti. So the lasagna was, for me, it was a mushroom with bechamel sauce, and then for the others it was sausage and tomato sauce. Then we had a tagliatelle, like a tomatoey basil tagliatelle, and then on the last one we had a pesto spaghetti, and that was the best one. And then to finish off, we had a tiramisu, a homemade tiramisu, and honestly that food was just amazing. We sat down, had dinner, everyone sat down, we had like some wine, we had some water, some homemade lemonade, and honestly I'd recommend that to anyone. It was all through Airbnb, so again, as I said, it's a really nice local thing, and we almost wanted a nap afterwards because there was so much food. But yeah, everyone, if you come to Milan, you've got to do at least some sort of cooking class or learn how to make pasta.